Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing well. Just a quick one on natural gas, coal, and crude oil. Sorry, guys, I couldn't upload a video yesterday, but if you are in my priority group, then there's a benefit you get. You can always text me and check if you are getting a valid entry or not, and I'll reply you in a priority basis because if you are a VIP member, you can always check a valid entry with me and I will reply you and I'll give you priority over all the other members. So let's start our analysis with natural gas first. So after we have a nice winning trade we took few days ago, like 2 days ago, let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots. So at this point, the market moved down and gave us this nice engulfing candle, showing us the bullish pressure as well. With that being said, we can expect a bullish move from gas, possibly see a hit of our pink zone. Okay, perfect. So based on that, we had this entry candle right here, the bullish engulfing entry candle. And as you can see, we entered here. And yes, the market moved down till here, but of course we had our stop loss here. If you place a decent position, then there is no need to panic. That's why it's very important to do your risk management. But as you can see, we got another engulfing entry right here. It was sort of a double bottom move, but don't take it as a very strong double bottom move because we are in the minor level of resistance. That is why I was just only looking at this engulfing entry, and then we got this engulfing entry at the support right here. And as you can see, the market gave us some nice push up. So what to expect next from natural gas? So as you can see, I've already marked this yellow zone here. I want to see another push up between this zone to take a valid double top move. So if we have a push up in this zone and the market not breaking above this yellow box, which is still 4.840, I'm going to go through Owanda as well. So do not worry at this point. If you have a break above, then there is a likely chance that the market can continue its trends upward. But if we are still between this zone, if the market move up, come back down, and let's say it give us a nice pin bar or an engulfing candle, as you can see, if you see right here, we have an engulfing candle, but I'm very strict with my rules. I want to see a touch of my yellow zone. So once we have a touch of the zone, I will take an entry and I will use my ATR to take my targets accordingly. So wait for an entry condition to enter the trade. Let's check on Wanda. So right here, if you see similar condition on Wanda, if you see this position is actually on the daily time frame. So let's remove this position as we are doing our intraday trading. So now what I want to see a move up between this zone. This green zone is from 4.830 and it goes up to 4.868. So once we have a touch of this green zone, I'll look for engulfing candle, move up, move down, and if have a pin bar and just a wick here, that should be perfectly fine to take a short entry. And whatever the ATR we get, we'll take our entries, one ATR above, one ATR below, plus 5 or 10. I'll check the volatility accordingly. So if you have a breakup of this green zone, then there's a likely chance that the market can move up. So let's check gold quickly. So let's check what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots and you know when and how to enter the trades using these zones up to 1907, and this level is to 1895. So once we reach this zone, I will look for a bounce as an engulfer or a double bottom move from here. Okay, so perfectly, what do we have? A swing low engulfing candle. That was a big circle. Actually, it's this. That was a swing low engulfing candle, and our entry would be right here, something like this. And as you can see, the ATR is 15 or 16 on this candle. Actually, this candle is 16 on this candle. I've added 5 with that. So according to that, it's almost hit our target, but we have a level of resistance right here. What I want to see, let me remove this one. I want to see a hit of this zone from where I will look for engulfing entry or a double top entry to take short trades using our ATR. And if we can also get a retracement till 50 EMA, which is at 1951, and this is our zone as well. So this zone is from 1944 and it goes up to 1951. So we have this zone right here, and You can mark these zones on your chart as well. So once we have a hit of the zone, look for a bearish entry confirmation to take short trades. Of course, if we have a break above 1951 and we do not get any sort of bearish pressure, then yes, we can expect a trend continuation trades upwards. So keep an eye on both zones. Let's check crude oil. Okay, right here, crude oil, we took a nice trade here as well on crude oil, and now it's approaching a level of support which is 92.14, and it goes down to 90.48. So I'm still not taking any sort of long trades from this zone. I still want to see the price to hit my support zone. Once we have a hit of support zone, I will look for buy trades from here as an engulfer, pin bars, or double bottom trades. It might shoot up from here, but my rules are really strict. I want to see a hit of my green zone to take a long trade. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. And if you're interested to learn how I mark these zones, and if you're interested to receive a weekly Forex report where I mark these zones for you every single week, so that once you see these zones, you can able to take a counter trades and a pullback trade between these zones. So if not, that's totally cool. You can hit a subscribe and like button for me so that you can receive a daily analysis like this every single day. I hope you trade green. I see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.